Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. And ngayon nga pala, ipapakita ko yung kapatid ko. Pero tulog na din. Tulog pa siya. So, tingnan natin sa taas. Let's go. Ito nga pala na sa baba. Ito tayo sa taas. Let's look. Oh, tulog pa siya. Tulog. Siya is sleeping. Dito nga pala tayo sa terrace. Yes. Sorry guys, sumaubo ako. Hindi ko sinabi ko kanina. Ano ko coughing because air conditioner. And ngayon nga pala, later, I'm gonna teach you how to badminton. Do you know badminton? Here's a badminton. I'm gonna show you. Ito pala yung badminton. And dito tayo magpa-play. I'm gonna teach you, but hindi train naman ako dati. And minsan din, uling din ako. Nakikita niyo ba guys? Or lucky mo? Nakikita naman kasi may araw. Matindi yung araw. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys. This is the ball. That's the ball. So, we can like that. And we're gonna look eyes on the ball and one. Wait, slowly down. Like this, like that. Because I did it with the eyes on the pole, like that. So you can follow it, like that. Because it's so sikip here, I'm gonna put here, so this is mash, and this is like that. This is the